Hello guys, today I will teach you how we can make this beautiful slider, product slider, anything you can do from this. Okay, I'm using swiper slider for this, and you can learn how we can make how we can customize swiper in this tutorial. Okay, if you check in responsive, it will work perfectly. Okay, and you can make like this also. I will teach you how we can make these types of thing. Sometimes we need, one full product and one is cut off, so people know there is another products also there. If you want make full, you can do this. You can work according to the size of windows. Okay, so here if we go more, you can see here is 1.5. If you go here is full. We can work in breakpoint also. So for this, I already have this file, and here I have an image file, and here I have a custom JS, here is style and index. I don't have anything here, and I'll gonna make here. And for image, you can download from unflash.com. It's free, and you can get SD image from here. You can use for free. And for this background, I use this one. You can go in this site, and you can get the same from this. And if you want other color, or you want put other background, you can do. Okay, I will put these all links in the description. So let's go how we can make these types of thing. Okay, first of all, I will use Bootstrap, so it will easy to make everything responsive. Get Bootstrap. Here I will use uh, this template. Okay, just copy this, and I'll put here. Next I will put title, and I will leave CDN. Okay, you can download from Bootstrap, and you can put in your file also. It's not big thing. So today we are just focusing on swiper slider. Okay, so for this I need swiper slider, WIPR swiper JS, and I have to go in swiperjs.com, and guys, I need to click on get start, and after that you can use npm if you want. Okay, but today I will just using cdn. We need two file, javascript and css. Okay, so now you can go in this link like this, and if you open this, you'll see all the code here, but I'm just going to put cdn now here. Before bootstrap, I'm using this one. Let me adjust this, and we need javascript. I'll put here, and we need to include our custom JS and style. So first I will include here. If you right link and put hit tab, you will get this, and I just need to include my style.css, so we can style there. And in the bottom of all script, we need to put our custom script here. Yes, rc and custom JS. Now we are done, and we start to work on here. Let me delete this. Let's try either we are linkable or not. Yes, it's working. So we just need to include these two. Okay, where is the link? Yeah, this one, style and main.js of swiper. Okay, so now I'm going to make first slider and we'll go for second one. Okay, for that, here first I will make one container, and I'm going to give one custom name for my swiper, SWIPS swiper USTM custom here. Okay, and we will include here uh, swiper.js course. If you go here, you can get this. You just copy this one and put here. Right now we are not working on a scroll bar. We just use previous and next. In the last section I will show you how we can use swiper business. Okay, for now I am going to delete this one, and right now I will delete this one. We need to put image. You can design whatever you want. You can design here. This is section 1, but right now I have an image here, so I will use image like this, and here I will use another image. Here I'm going for another one. Guys, I already have a code, so for first work I just want to copy this from my notepad. Now let's check in output. Now you can see we have all files here, image file. We have one image. Now we have to go in custom.js. Okay, for custom.js, what we can do, go in swiper.js and check this one. You can click on open new windows and you can just control U. Okay, or in Mac you can use command U, and we need to copy this one. Okay, for now I have already created all the code for jQuery. JavaScript. Right, I'll show you, and I will tell you everything how we can use this one. Okay, now it's the same thing that we have here, right? I'm using same, but in advance I'm using breakpoint. Breakpoint is used to make the slider break in the this point. Like if we are in 1000 resolution, slider will be 4. If we go in 768, it will be 1.5. In this kind of, you can control the all your slider from here. And here I make id. I will teach you later. I just want to delete this one. I want to use same. For now we have all same, just I put this one. Okay, here you can see everything is same like this. You can just copy this. Okay, and paste here, and for breakpoint I will provide this code in linked, and you can see in documentation of swiper.js also. And now we have to take care of this. You can put your own class name here, but it should be same with here. We need to put here within swiper. Okay, for example, I have my swiper here, so I will copy this and I'll put here, and let's refresh the website. Now you can see images are coming one after another, and we need to write CSS. For that, for now I will copy this one and I will paste here. And for background I have a gradient color, I'm using from this. You can copy from here and just you can put in background. Okay, if we check again in our website, refresh, now you can see we have slider here. Okay, so again let's go here in swiper custom. I want to give margin top 5% to make a little bit down. Okay, it's ready. So now we need to make this icon in center of this slider. How we can do this? For this I have to go here again. Let's add this. First of all, guys, you have to bring this one, this both button outside of swiper. Let's close this outside of this. Okay, if you bring this outside, you can see these are here. Okay, so we have to make swiper custom is relative. Let's make position relative, and let's copy this class, this one, and let's copy this one. Now right now we have to make this one right calc 50% minus 40 pixel, and same thing we can do this is right and this is left. Let's refresh. Now you can see we have this icon in center. Now we want this icon in bottom of this part. Okay, so for that what we can do, I will copy this and I want to do for both, so I copy this one, and here let's put bottom. For example, let's try 80 pixel. Let's say it will work or not. And sorry, we have to make this position absolute, otherwise it doesn't work. Swiper button press this one, and we have some uh, some number in top by swiper, so we need to unset this one so it will come down. So we can see this is in center of the slider. Now I want to give background in this, so I want to give white. Let's see, yeah, it's working. And let's give height and width. Height, let's say 30 pixel, width 30 pixel, and we need a border radius to make circle. Border radius 50%. Now you can see this. Now we need to make this icon small. Okay, and we want to change the color of this icon. For that we can copy this one, and here we use pseudo class. After, if you inspect this, you can find there also. Let's see color red. Let's try this one. Now it's working. So I want to give this color. Sorry, let's copy this, and we don't need this. Let's change the font size. For example, I want give 18 pixel. Okay, it's perfect. Now it's working. Okay, and if you don't want to make circle, you can just remove border radius. You can see like this. Okay, if you want this icon in left side or right side, you can do easily. You have to go in spec. If you check this here, okay, you can see here is like this. You can put next in 0, it gone. If you go in up, just remove this, and you can put 10 here auto, and right 30 pixel. You can also use this one. Okay, you just need to copy this one in here, and you just need to left auto, and here if you check this one, let's refresh this. It's working. Now let's go in this button. Just we need to put 0. For example, you can put here 0. Okay, if you refresh this, it will work perfectly. Okay, but for now I want to leave this. I want to make this in center. And guys, one main problem we face mostly when I work in project, I face this problem. That's why I love to share this idea with you. When you need the same, for example, if you try to make another slider in the same place, it doesn't work. We need to some changes on there. For example, I'm just copy this, and I'm paste here. I just paste here, and if you refresh, if you check, all both slider are moving from one. Okay, for space, just I want to give space here 100 pixel. Let's see. Now we want make both slider move individually. When I click, it's only should be move, and when I click here, it should be move. For that, we don't need to worry about it. We just go here, copy this one, and paste this. Here you have to make swiper 2. You can put whatever you want. You can make your own name. You can give your project name here, and in second one here I will put swiper 2. Does it work? No. Now I have to change ID of this class. So now I am using this class, so I want to make this an ID, and I want to change this for 2 You can put whatever you want, and I want to use this ID in second one, second slider, and this is for previous preview. Let's click here, ID, and this one, and same we have to do for this one. Okay, now we have a class, so we can change for this one also. I want to give just ID. This is 2. I'm going to give 1 and 1, and let's copy this. This is for pre. Let's give ID pre, and this is for next, ID next. Let's see. Now it's worked perfectly. Guys, for example, if you want to make this product is cut here, okay, in big screen, you just go here. Let's try in first one. If you want, give for example 3.5. You can see 2 full product and 1 half. It means 3 full product image and 1 is half. Sometimes we need this kinds of thing also. If you want to change the gap between these images, if you give here 50, you can control gap also. Okay, you can give gap in the individual breakpoint also. Right now, if you want only 2 slider, we can do this also. If you want 4 here, but in 768, if you want 2.5, let's check. Okay, in 768, let's go in 768. Now you can see we have 2.5. It means if you want more, you want so more less part of the third product, you can make like 2. You can make like this also. Okay, this is very easy, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will try to make other video also. It's my new video, so maybe it's boring, like this. So hope you understand, and I will bring more video about the front end development. And for now, I'm going, and I hope you guys will be rocking your life, and let's subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.